yun, nakasaksak para nakita niya.
The only one connected is the PC and
Hello.
PC. The monitors were plugged on the wall. I'm turning on the PC right now.
Hello dito. Hello dito. Hello dito.
Okay na yun. Okay na na. Neutron's fine. The PC turns on completely normal. But the issue is, even on a 750 watt PC, it shuts down whenever the GPU is being used. Let's just simulate that. Yung PC na baka. Pakilala natin yung PC. Yung monitor niya. Dito ka na lang. Pakita mo yung PC and then. So let's try to use the GPU. Using something GPU extensive like this.
Lagyan mo ng error yun. Hindi mo siya malalabas ng gano'n.
Ang connection. Ilang minutes na yung video?
2 minutes.
Oh. Hanggang 3 minutes. Oh, yeah. There you go. It's beeping. Okay. So, the PC shuts down whenever the GPU is used on a 750 watt PC.
Nakasaksak pa rin naman siya pero nag-turn off na, no?
Yes. Without the monitors, just the PC.